watching K.O.S. Keep on shooting.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, K.O.S. Keep on Shooting. So for today, let's finish shooting the lock. Let's see how much more damage we can do to it. If you haven't checked part 1, feel free to check it out. You'll see how this hose came to be. Let's continue the video. Okay guys, let's finish shooting that lock. Let's see how much more damage we can do to it. And once again, I'll be shooting the mini broadheads from K.O.S. Steel. Here we go. All right, that was the first shot. Shoot it again. That one was right over here. Let's give it another shot. And we have one more shot here on the quiver. Pretty good shots. Let's check that out. Got some darts on the ground. Let's check out the tips. Pretty good, no damage. They are intact. Check out the lock. There we go. We got some pretty good shots. And then this is the one we missed to the side. Let's see if it still opens. And there we go guys, still opens. All right guys, let's continue shooting it. Let's move in a little bit closer. Let's see if we can get further damage on that lock. All right, here we go. I'm surprised how durable this K.O.S. Steel mini broadheads are. The tips are just intact. Let's keep on shooting. All right, that was another 6 shots. Let's check it out. Just look at that damage. Does it work? And it still rotates. Oh, it's getting a little tougher to rotate. There we go. Let's see if it's still functional after all this damage. And there we have it. Still functional. Let's continue shooting it, but this time on the back side. Let's see how much penetration we can get on this side. All right, here we go, guys. The sun is setting, so I'm a little bit in a rush, but let's continue shooting that lock. Let's see how much more damage we can do to it. Here we go. All right, let's check it out. There we have it, guys. Definitely penetrating it. And then this one landed on the top. I'm gonna get this one out. That is on there. Yeah, that's not coming out. I'll be right back. And we got it out. There is no damage to the tip. Let's see if we can focus the camera. There we go. So very good darts from Cold Steel. And then here's the damage on the lock. We're getting some very nice penetration. Let's see if it still opens. And it still works, guys. Let's go ahead and do 5 more shots on it. And let's see how much more we can damage it. All right, here we go. This time we're a lot closer. We're basically shooting it for point blank. Let's see if we can do further damage. One last shot, guys. All right, let's check that out. Does it still work? It rotates. And no, it does not. Let's see. I'm gonna put the camera on the tripod and let's see if we can still get it open. All right, guys, so I basically tried to pull out the dart and it brought the whole dial with it. I'm gonna see if I can reattach it, see if we can open it. But these things are definitely on here. There we go. There we go. Let's see if we can attach it back. All right, guys, so that is it for the combination lock. The dial does not want to go back into place. So I tried pressing on it, as you can see here, but watch, it just pops right back. So overall, it withstood a lot of damage. Just look at that lock, how it turned out. So very impressive. And I'm very impressed by the K.O.S steel darts as well. There's no damage to the tips, even though we were shooting steel. Good stuff. All right, guys, so that concludes today's video. I just want to do a part 2 to see how much damage we can do with the blowgun to a combination lock. We were able to destroy it. However, we were not able to open it. The shackle still intact, but not too bad from a lung-powered projectile. Just look at that damage. It's definitely penetrating steel. It amazes me how much power you can get from a blowgun dart. All right, guys, so that is it for today. Thank you for all the support. You guys take care, and as always, keep on shooting, guys. See you guys on the next one.